Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. Hey, I just want to let you know the question is whether or not to do the Inside Track Club membership. As my good buddy Phil would say, what are you kidding me? It's a no-brainer. In one weekend, I went and for free, I got a full pack of batteries, a 9-piece wrench set, and a $20 stepper bit package here. Stepper drill bits, all very handy. Glad I have them. And it was all for free. I went Friday night and got all three. I went Saturday and got all three. I went Sunday and got all three. It's not even close. So the Harbor haters can be hating, but I'm telling you, it's well worth the deal. So diving inside the numbers, because I'm a math guy, I will often get an email from Harbor Freight saying, hey, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you get 15 or 20% off of any one item. So now you have a $30 membership we're talking about here. If I buy something for $200 and get 15% off, that's $30. So now that just became $170. Not only did it just lower my cost to $170, but my membership again was paid for. And as I showed you earlier, I've paid my membership off probably 30 times in the last year, because that 15 and 20% off of an item. Another awesome thing they do is they will run a sale of 20% off any in-store item, $10 or less. They double that. Now they'll put a limit of maybe 5 per customer per day, but if it's $20, that just opened up 50% more tools in their store than if it's $10 or less. So when you get 20 off a $20 item, you just, again, that's another $4 off. So now you're buying a $20 item for 16 bucks. You can't beat the Inside Track Club. Even if you can only get to a Harbor Freight, I'm spoiled. They're like 6 blocks from my house and they're in the same town I'm in. But even if I were only getting there once a month, once every other month, I'm telling you, it would not take a whole lot of effort to pay off an Inside Track Club membership. It's a no-brainer all the way around. And I hope this helped. Thank you. God bless. God bless you. God bless America. And again, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. We need that. Thank you.